certainly make the top 10 on why diets fail. Girl Scout cookies. That's one of them. Receiving pressure from a partner or friend to stop dieting, impacting your love life. So I tell you what, there's nothing harder than being on a diet and you don't have the support from your significant other. That's rough. Having unrealistic goals. In other words, you're not going to lose a pound a day. You're not going to lose 7 pounds a week. Usually it's
Why not? I gained that
Yeah,
fast.
that's true. Usually for men it's 2 pounds a week if you're doing everything right. A pound and maybe a pound and a half for women. Missing foods. You're missing those Girl Scout cookies and other bakery goods. That's a problem. Losing motivation. And that motivation is up to you because things happen. And it's really up to you to not allow those things to rain on your parade. Feeling irritable, which happens when you're coming off sugar. Missing out on snacks.
January 11, 2021, West Monroe, Louisiana. We just had a snowstorm last night, and it's in the south, so Louisiana is in the deep south, and snow day is pretty rare in this area of the country. So for the southerners, it's a pretty big deal because obviously it doesn't snow here all the time, and when it does, there's always no school to perhaps allow the kids to have fun in the snow, but mainly because a lot of southerners is not adapted to driving in a snowy road like this one. Although as you can see, it's not really covered with snow, but the government wants to basically be cautious about it since it doesn't snow here much in the south. So but it's so pretty this morning. It's so quiet, and there's not much cars on the road today. I guess because of a lot of people called in because of the snow on the road, or just simply having fun and staying home, which is much safer than being on the road. So it's Monday today, first snow of the 2021. Actually, first snow for a while. Actually, here in this area, and as you can see, it's actually already turning into slush in most areas. About a few minutes ago, the snow was still falling, but I think it already had stopped. So, and I'm actually on the road to see my first patient. But as you can see, as you saw earlier, the bridge going to my patient's house is blocked off because of, I guess it's snow covered. So I'm going to the alternate route to get to their house. Hopefully it's open. I think it should be because there's no bridges over there. I'm actually driving slower than I used to on a regular day, just precaution. So to all the people in this area, I hope you guys are having fun and staying safe as well. So that's it. Have a good day.